Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage comments and block haters on TikTok. So if you're dealing with negative comments or haters on TikTok, this is how you can control your comment section and block toxic users to keep your account safe and positive. First, you can just filter and limit comments on your videos. So TikTok allows you to control who can comment on your videos. So if you want to manage your comments, you can just open the TikTok app, tap on the profile at the bottom right corner, and then tap on these three lines at the top. Go to the settings and privacy. Now you can just select privacy and go to the command sections. Under the interactions, click on it. Now you can just adjust the command settings. So in here, under this one, allow comments from, you can just change it. Here there are three options: everyone, friends, and no one. So you can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to just go with my friends, so only my friends can comment on my video. And then you can also filter offensive or filter unwanted comments in here. So you can just turn it on. You can just click on this. Here you can see there are the options in here: inappropriate or offensive content, profanity and curse words, and advertisement and spam. So in here, for the offensive comment or content, you can just click on it and then choose trick. So harmful comments will be automatically removed, and a wider range of comments that may cause potential harm will be filtered for my review. And you can also filter specific keywords. This one's right here. You can just add words or phrases you don't want to see. So you can just click on it and add the word. Here you can just add the keywords in here. For example, here I've already add fat, bully, harm. You can also add, for example, I'm going to go with insults. In here you can just tap on enter and it will be added to the specific keyword filter. And the next one, you can also delete or report toxic commands. So if someone leaves a hateful or rude command, you can just delete or report it. So you can just find the command under your video and then long press on it and choose delete or report. Next one, you can also just block or restrict the haters. So to stop someone from commenting on your video or messaging you, you can just block them. So you can just go to their profile and then tap on the three lines and select block. And next, you can also turn off comments for specific videos. So if you don't want comments to appear in your videos in a certain video, you can just open the video that you posted and then just tap on the three dots icon, swipe until you find the privacy settings, and under here you'll see there will be this allow comments option. So you can just turn it off, and after that no one can comment on your videos. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.